To adjust the settings for the navigation system, touch Menu on the launch bar, then Settings, and then touch Navigation. Touch Map Settings to change the orientation of the map. Touch Guidance Settings to adjust the guidance volume or to turn other guidance features on or off. Touch Route Preference to choose basic route types or to minimize the use of toll roads or ferries in calculating a route. Touch Traffic Info Settings to change the settings for the traffic system. Touch Safety Guide Settings to adjust various roadway safety settings. Touch Address Book to store or access locations and routes saved in the system. Other available options allow you to customize points of interest, adjust current location, delete stored locations and routes, delete previous destinations, sync with door-to-door navigation, and reset the navigation system to the default settings. Please see your Nissan Connect Owner's Manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.